Lost voice memos after an update or accidental tap? Wondering if iCloud backs them up and how to get them back? Let's find out. Part 1. Does iCloud back up voice memos? It depends. On iOS 11 or earlier, voice memos are in iCloud backups. iCloud typically backs up photos and videos, home screen layout, messages, purchases, ringtones, app data, voicemail password, settings, Apple Watch data. Part 2. How to restore voice memos from iCloud directly. Go to iPhone or iPad, Settings, General, Reset. Erase all content and settings, erase iPhone, iPad. Then your Apple device will restart automatically. After finishing rebooting, follow the on-screen steps to set it up. On the Apps and Data interface, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Log into your Apple ID on the device. Select a backup file to start the restore. Part 3. How to recover voice memos from iCloud selectively without reset. Factory resetting and restoring from iCloud may risk data loss. Instead, try a professional tool like iPhone Data Recovery. It lets you selectively recover voice memos from iCloud without erasing your device. Step 1. Select Recover from iCloud Backup File. Download and install iPhone Data Recovery to your PC or Mac. Open the program and choose Recover from iCloud Backup File. Next, you need to log into your iCloud account or Apple ID. Step 2. Choose Voice Memos for scanning. You're free to view the iCloud backup list and select the one you want. Then click on Download. After that, a pop-up window will appear, and you can select the voice memos next for scanning. Step 3. Recover voice memos from iCloud. After that, pick the voice memos you desire and click the Recover button. In the right corner of the interface, wait for a few seconds, and you can see iCloud backup restored to the iPhone or iPad successfully.